It is coming in from Iraq. The parliament on Sunday approved the resignation of Prime Minister Adel Abdel Mahdi's government after 2 months of protests. More than 420 people have died in the protests, and the tensions that have been engulfing the country have been on the rise. The Speaker of the Parliament said they would now ask the President to name a new Prime Minister. An Iraqi court sentenced a police officer to death on Sunday after convicting him of killing demonstrators. In the first such sentence in 2 months of the deadly civil unrest, the criminal court sentenced the police major to be hanged and jailed a police lieutenant colonel for 7 years for their roles in the deaths of 7 protesters. Protests have resulted in more than 420 people losing their lives. The government, of course, has been criticized of what lies ahead, what happens over the next few days now.
Hello?
Yes, Dr. Rushdie, if my voice is going through to you. Yes. Thank you for speaking with us. Tell us in more detail what happens now over the next few days. Dr. Rushdie, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear very well.
All right, we'll just try and reconnect that line with Dr. Ahmad Rushdie. Over the next few days, we do expect some clarity on who will now be taking over the helm of affairs now with the Prime Minister stepping down and the Cabinet also resigning. The President will have to name a new Prime Minister. The Iraqi government has buckled under that massive protest movement which has engulfed the country for weeks now. The Iraqi Prime Minister was forced to step down, following which the entire cabinet has also resigned. The Parliament has today approved the resignation of the entire cabinet, and now the President has to name a new Prime Minister.